Welcome to Constant TV, where legitimacy and consistency rule.
Hey everyone, Barmei here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you all here today because we have a fantastic topic to dive into. Today, we're going to be talking about Google AdSense, a powerful tool that can help you monetize your blog or website. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this guide is perfect for you. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows you to display ads on your website and earn money when visitors interact with them. It's a great way to generate passive income. If you have a blog or website, AdSense can help you earn money from it. But I know it can be a bit overwhelming at first. That's why I'm here to break it down for you. It can be confusing to learn, so we'll go through it step by step. We'll start with the basics and gradually move on to more advanced tips and tricks. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to making the most money, all while following Google's rules. This way, you can maximize your earnings without any risk of getting banned. This video is all you need to know about Google AdSense. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use AdSense effectively. So, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's turn your website into a moneymaker. We'll go through each step in detail, ensuring you have all the information you need to succeed. Let's get started. Before applying to AdSense, your website needs to be ready. This means more than just having a few pages up and running. Your site should be polished, professional, and fully functional. Think of it as your digital storefront. Just like you wouldn't open a physical store without making sure everything is in place, you shouldn't launch a website without thorough preparation. It's like building a house. You need a good foundation. First, content is key. Imagine trying to sell a house with no walls or roof. Similarly, your website needs solid, valuable content that serves a purpose. This content should be original, engaging, and relevant to your audience. It's what keeps visitors coming back and what makes your site stand out. Your website needs good, original content that people find helpful. This means writing articles, blog posts, or creating videos that provide real value. Think about what your audience is searching for and how you can meet their needs. High-quality content not only attracts visitors, but also encourages them to stay longer and explore more of your site. No one wants to see copied or unhelpful content. If your site is filled with generic or duplicated information, visitors will quickly leave and Google will take notice. This can hurt your chances of getting approved for AdSense. Instead, focus on creating unique content that offers a fresh perspective or valuable insights. Google won't approve it for AdSense. They have strict guidelines to ensure that only high-quality sites are part of their network. If your content doesn't meet their standards, your application will be rejected. This is why it's crucial to invest time and effort into creating the best possible content for your site. Next, is your website easy to use? Does it load quickly? User experience is a major factor in Google's approval process. A slow, clunky website can frustrate visitors and drive them away. Make sure your site is optimized for speed. This includes compressing images, using efficient coding practices, and leveraging browser caching. Does it work on phones? With more people accessing the internet via mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly site is essential. Your website should be responsive, meaning it adjusts seamlessly to different screen sizes. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for all users, regardless of the device they're using. These are important for Google. They want to see that your site is user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your site's performance and make necessary adjustments. This will help you identify any issues and improve the overall user experience. You also need important pages like About Us, Contact, and Privacy Policy. These pages provide essential information about your site and build trust with your visitors. An About Us page tells your story and explains your mission. A Contact page makes it easy for visitors to get in touch with you. A Privacy Policy page shows that you respect your visitors' privacy and comply with legal requirements. Google needs these, and they make your website look trustworthy. And don't forget design. A well-designed website not only looks good, but also enhances usability. It should be clean, organized, and visually appealing. This creates a positive first impression and encourages visitors to explore further. Your website should look clean and nice. Avoid clutter and use a consistent color scheme and typography. High-quality images and graphics can also make a big difference. Remember, Your website is a reflection of your brand, so make sure it represents you well. It shows the quality of your work. A professional-looking site indicates that you take your online presence seriously. It can also help build credibility and trust with your audience. Investing in good design is worth it in the long run. Remember, first impressions are important. Your website is often the first interaction people have with your brand. Make it count by ensuring it's well-designed, user-friendly, and filled with valuable content. This will not only help you get approved for AdSense, but also attract and retain visitors. Now that your website is ready, let's see what you need for AdSense. You'll need a Google account. If you use Gmail, YouTube, or other Google stuff, you're all set. Next, domains. A custom domain name, like your website.com, is better than a free one. It looks professional and gives you more control. Finally, website visits. You need people visiting your site to make money with ads. Create great content that people want to see. Share your website on social media and talk to your audience. Time to apply for AdSense. Go to the Google AdSense website and click Sign Up. Enter your website address, choose a language, and give your email. Then you'll give some personal info like your name, address, and phone number. This is normal for ad networks. It's to keep things safe and prevent scams. You'll also set up how you want to get paid. We'll talk more about that later. After applying, you need to prove you own the website. Google offers two ways: adding a file to your website or pasting a code into your website's code. Both are easy, and Google gives clear instructions. Choose the easier one and follow the steps. After this, Google will check your application. Waiting is hard, but it's worth it. While waiting, keep making good content and sharing your website. The more you do, the better prepared you'll be. Don't make big changes to your website while waiting. Changing the design or content could slow things down. Congrats! Your AdSense account is approved. Now let's make ads for your website. Log into AdSense and go to My Ads. You can choose different ad types like text ads, picture ads, and link ads. Try different ones to see what works best. Copy the ad code and paste it into your website's code where you want the ad to show up. You can put ads on the sides, top, bottom, or even inside your articles. Your ads are running. This is an exciting moment because it means your hard work is starting to pay off. But don't stop here. To truly maximize your earnings, you need to follow some best practices. Now, let's make the most money. The key to success with Google AdSense is not just about placing ads, but doing it strategically. You want to ensure that your ads are not only seen, but also clicked on by visitors. Follow these tips. Always follow Google's rules. These guidelines are in place to ensure a fair and positive experience for everyone involved. Ignoring these rules can lead to severe consequences. These rules are to make sure everyone has a good experience and to prevent cheating. Google takes policy violations seriously, and breaking the rules can result in penalties or even account suspension. Breaking the rules could get your account closed. Imagine losing all your hard-earned revenue because of a simple mistake. It's not worth the risk, so always stay informed and compliant. Make good content that people like. Quality content is the foundation of a successful website. The more valuable and engaging your content is, the more likely visitors are to stay longer and interact with your ads. The more people enjoy your website, the more likely they are to click on ads. User experience is crucial. If visitors find your site helpful and enjoyable, they are more inclined to explore further, increasing the chances of ad clicks. Put your ads where people will see them. Ad placement is an art. You need to strategically position your ads in high visibility areas without disrupting the user experience. Experiment with different layouts to find what works best. Try different spots and see what gets the most clicks. Don't be afraid to test various placements. Sometimes a small change can make a big difference in your click-through rates and overall earnings. Check how your ads are doing. Regularly monitor your ad performance to understand what's working and what's not. Use the data to make informed decisions and optimize your strategy. See how much money you're making and how many people are clicking to find ways to improve. By continuously analyzing your performance, you can identify trends and make adjustments to boost your revenue. Remember, success with AdSense is an ongoing process of learning and optimization. Let's talk about getting paid. You need to tell Google how you want to receive your money. Google offers different ways like direct deposit, check, or Western Union. Choose what works best for you. Once you earn $100, Google will send you the money. You can check your earnings in your AdSense account. You're officially an AdSense publisher. But the work doesn't stop here. Keep adding new content to your website. A busy website is good for visitors and advertisers. Don't click your own ads or ask others to. This is cheating, and Google doesn't like it. Stay updated on Google's rules. They change sometimes, so it's important to know the latest rules. That's it. A complete guide to Google AdSense. Remember, it takes time and effort to make money with AdSense. Make good content, follow the rules, and stay updated. By doing this, you can have a successful AdSense account. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.